Hey guys! Today we are taking apart a Verismo coffee maker by Starbucks.
Okay.
No!
Careful. Whoa.
Got that. A ginormous motor and a smaller motor.
Pump, yeah.
Pump. Right, pump. And heater.
Ooh, pretty awesome.
And the Verismo logo.
Wait, let me see that again. Okay.
And look, see that's the blade?
Oh yeah, you gotta watch out for that. Here.
Well, pop.
Watch out for that blade for sure.
No, it's hidden away in here. First, I will have to remove these screws. Right here. And I hope this will work with my drill. First, snappity snip. Done. Oh no, I don't think this will work. Removing this screw with this drill. That's not. That's totally not. That's the right bit. No. This one? This. Not this one. Right side. I probably can get this one with the drill. No? Now I have to watch out for real danger, the blade.
Yes.
Ooh. We will get to that later. See that blade?
Where?
That's the blade right in there.
Wow.
Now to get that Verismo thing off, we will need to break this off.
What are you breaking? Oh, taking the C-clip off? Just need to pop it off.
With a flathead. Alright? I
Should
think.
do it. What?
It hit that! Went
There's the
flying! This is actually dangerous because it can fly wherever, and yeah. You will probably have to stay back!
I think you got it from underneath.
No, I didn't.
Oh, thought you did.
I got it from here. Doing this!
Whoa.
How's that held on? Oh, it's just held on by plastic. Here's where the cover comes out.
So there and
Pretty empty. Pretty empty. Well, how about the bottom? We haven't got that open. Screw! Oh, a screw's revealed!
wow. There are actually screws. More screws.
Oh
Careful,
my.
other way, Pry.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Wow.
That's where all the electronics switch tell the coffee maker what to do.
Interesting stuff.
Giant heat sink. And why is there a giant mosquito? Actually, that's not. That's, is that a mosquito hawk?
I can't even see it.
Wait, that looks like a screw. Can I actually unscrew it?
So why are you using pliers to unscrew a screw?
Well, it's like a rivet. Well, I'm not gonna use a flathead
Oh.
to pry it.
Oh, no. I don't know. Why would you, do you need to undo that?
No, I was just curious. How about this screw? where does that screw go in?
Oh, that was that thing.
Oh my. Time for the biggest.
Big screw. The ones you just did. It's that one. Had that cap on it. Lay in there somewhere. Right?
And I got a
It's right there.
screw holder from the Verismo. Just drop everything in there now. No, that does nothing.
That screw.
Well, this oh, there are screws holding the Verismo logo in. 2 screws
Handle.
/ logo.
Yes, but it's the handle.
It'll just pop out. And thank you to this. No. How do I get these out? To like undo it. How?
Oh, that's gonna be interesting. What does it do on the other side? Does it go all the way through? Oh, same thing on the other side.
Is it possible?
Might be able to pop that off. Looks like it.
Now the really dangerous part's coming in soon.
Make sure there's no blade.
There's a blade right there.
I know where you're reaching before you reach it.
How is it? Hold on.
Maybe you need to do other stuff first before you get to that part.
Oh, screws. Mosquito thingy.
Yes.
Which one bite?
Screw down.
Oh, pipe. There's a pipe. I hate these pipes. Where do I get them?
You can use the wire cutter, probably do it.
Ooh. Yeah, it will probably break.
Or use the cutters.
Cutting
One at a time.
pipe. That's what I'm doing. There. Now I can access 3 screws. Now I have to be careful for the blade, which is covered now. Well, when you do this, it's revealed. Nose blades. Yikes. Now, knees.
What, these right here?
Yeah. Nose.
Get over here.
Ah! Come on.
Ooh. That's what you wanted the whole time, isn't it?
Yes.
You like that piece of metal. Nice and solid. Ooh, it's heavy, very heavy.
You're probably not gonna take this apart because of the blade.
Because of the blade?
Yeah.
Might be safer not to, and that's pretty much all that's in there is now the blade, right?
Yeah. You know what? Yeah. Well, how about this water heater?
It's more interesting than just a sharp blade.
Yeah.
Not as dangerous.
There. There.
Has to be secured. There's something else securing it.
Oh, it's like a slot, it's like when you turn it, it comes unlocked. That's how it's locked in, I think. With that. See? Like when you get it. Oh my. We will probably do that last. Well, now here, I guess. Oh, water's dripping!
Oh no.
Oh, tons!
Tons of water? Oh dear.
No, hold on.
Water. There was water in the pump. Oh dear.
I knew there was going to be water at some point dripping out. Is that full? I feel like that's completely full of water.
What? That tube?
Yes. The drill. Can't let that get wet.
Wonder if we need to go take it over to the sink and let some water drain out, perhaps, and then come back with it.
That thing leads to nowhere.
Where does the pipe lead? If it leads anywhere but just...
Out in the yard.
That would be fine.
That's where Daddy decided to lead it to. How's that holding? Oh, it's rubber! I thought that was plastic. It's
does look like
rubber!
That's interesting.
Rubber. Well, I think rubber is made out of plastic. I think it's held on by just rubber. Can I cut that rubber? No, probably won't. Oh, that's like very big. I'm just curious if it will even cut it. Cut? Oh, it cuts it. It cut it. Maybe I can cut it to where? Ah, no. To where I can get the pump out. Oh, it's held in by pipes too. And there's stuff. Where do we begin? Cutting this pipe to get this off?
So we'll find out if there's water in a minute.
Is that? No, I don't think so. Water!
Okay.
Water, like I said. Yeah, today's a pretty worry day and it's still leaking.
We'll have to get that in a minute.
It's leaking from here.
Uh-huh.
Stuff it in there. How do we get that out? Another pipe. Oh my.
Oh, more water.
Wait, there must be water in here because that's where it's dripping from. No water?
Probably all came out.
Well, water's still leaking. Probably. Like I said. How about let's cut this now?
Oh no.
Yeah, I knew it. I knew that would happen. Ice cold water. Very cold. Great. Spider webs in here. There are spider webs. The main thing I wanted is this. All right.
Will you give up on this one already?
No, work on that. And a power button. And I guess how is that not coming out? Power button. Just a button with which it is inside of a case.
Ooh.
Screws? Really? Why can't they choose the same screws? Like this. Well, no, it has to be Phillips now. This is turning into a very long video.
Multi-part, maybe.
Maybe soon there will be a part 2 to this. Maybe.
I don't know what this is. This
A
might be
whole
part 2 or
separate.
3. Who knows?
No, this is one.
You don't know.
Probably, I don't know. Ah!
What?
Why? Ah!
It's just. Whoa, what was that?
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Was that water? More water everywhere. Water! Alright. Hey. What'd you just pop off?
Nothing. I tried. Well, nothing came off. How
just
about...
slip.
Will this open?
What is that?
Oh! There's, oh! I know what this is.
What is it?
There are coils in here. When that's powered, the magnets move.
Oh, it makes that rotate. Awesome. You see those coils. And then it just, now you know how that works. That's the pump, isn't it?
Yeah,
Pumps
pump.
that water.
Pump.
Cool.
Opens very easily. Well, how about this ginormous one? Great.
Just be careful.
I'm probably not gonna get this motor off. There are screws on it, which I can't get to. Oh, twist. Hey, there's a barcode or a QR code on this side.
Okay.
Let me show you if I can turn it that way.
Let me get over to the other side and see if we can look in there.
There it is.
I see that.
Oh, it's spring. There's a spring. I need to get this wire. No, that leads to nowhere. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna get this off. Hey, who wants rubber? Ah!
Got a piece of rubber?
Yes. It's held on by the rubber. That's all it is held on by. If I can cut the rubber off, then I probably can get it off. Oh, sorry.
Oh, that rubber.
Why? It leads all the way down to there. I'm probably not gonna get this off. Unless cutting the whole thing off. Like that.
Careful, dear. So
Well, it's held in by a spring.
careful.
See that spring? That's what it is.
Oh, wow. It's a ginormous spring.
Plus the pipe is holding it in. And we'll cut that off right here. I'm not gonna be able to get it out. Just watch. If I can just get...
Going the right way?
Yeah, it's up right. Right?
So,
Let me try up. Oh, it has to go up here. That's up.
you got it.
See? Up. And all those wires. Well, why is up? Now I don't have the right bit size now. Next bit, okay. Nope. How about this bit? Perfect. If I get this off, I may be able to, that's not happening.
Hurt yourself.
It's not going to be possible to get that off. It's not. Oh,
Wow.
actually, I can, and look how heavy this is.
Oh, dear. Let's see.
Feel the
it.
weight of it.
Let me see. Oh, that is pretty heavy. That's why it had to have a nice big spring. So that's the motor.
Yeah. Now for the circuit board. Oh, it's actually routed in. Not gonna happen.
Not without snapping it, I would imagine.
Well, taking off random screws. This was leaking water everywhere.
Yeah.
Now it's
Put
empty.
a rubber seal. Big spring. Awesome.
Ah! Oh my hand's up.
I'm gonna get your fingers pinched. You got it. Wow, that's a big spring.
If I took this out, the motor would have come out much easier instead of all that trouble. Because this is where the motor was. Look, this probably will come off now. Probably. Just watch. And it went for all that hassle to get that motor out. And it probably, no? I guess not. That's all for the Verismo.
Are you sure? You think you can't do anything else? Ooh, well, you pretty much got this one.
Oh, fine, I'll get the rest of that. I need that.
I think you have gotten aggravated with the Verismo. It has been very difficult.
Ah!
What are you snapping off now? Oh, the front display. Or not display, but the buttons.
I'm done.
Nope.
I'm done. I'm done.
He's been defeated by the Verismo. Partially. At least we got something done on here. Got some guts out.
That's all for the Verismo. Bye. Please like and subscribe.